I'm starting to get our dinner ready now. I'm heating up the last of the brisket that I picked up on Friday, and I'm gonna slowly heat it up in the oven. And I've also got all those beef cheeks and the ossobuco, some of that left. And also gonna make some burgers because my hubby loves the burgers. So I'm making him burgers with a salad, kind of like a burger salad deal. So that should be, it's time for me to get our dinner going. So hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. And so I've got the thermometer in there and I'm gonna set it to 70. So that's the last piece of brisket. Gonna wrap it, put it in the oven, and I've already got the beef cheeks and ossobuco in there. I put the burgers first in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes at 110 Celsius or 230 Fahrenheit. Eggs frying here, and just pulled the burgers out of the oven. They're at 126, so well evenly cooked in the middle, and I'm going to reverse sear them on the grill. Right, put these on the grill pan. I love this cast iron grill pan. It is so nice for cooking indoors in the winter. You do that for about 2 minutes on each side. Flip them over now. Oh, that looks really nice. Yum. 2 more minutes on that side and they will be done. And our eggs are ready. I've got those burgers. They look amazing. I'm gonna add the fried eggs on top and serve them with the Caesar salad for Pete. And I'm gonna have some of that brisket that I've been heating up on low heat and some of the beef cheeks that I slow cooked in that ossobuco yesterday. So, like I said, I love leftovers, but this also looks amazing. Here are the burgers, and they look so good. I love the reverse sear method. It works so well, and they're gonna be perfectly cooked through. Time to add the eggs, and we're gonna eat. All right, I got the burger, some eggs, brisket, and my pate. It's gonna be delicious. Thanks for watching. For more videos and recipes, check out www.ketogenicgirl.com.